Enterprise social media or corporate social media is not new to companies our size. Many Fortune 500 companies have different tools that they use for enterprise social media. A few quick examples would be Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Wikipedia, or the likes. The AP Mall MS Group has decided to go ahead and make its first baby step into the use of corporate social media. That for us is going to be this Wikipedia project. Now you may wonder, what is Wikipedia or what is the wiki all about, as we'd like to call it. The wiki is one of the tools that we'd like to use to leverage the power of social media, to leverage the opportunity to use this for collaborative knowledge sharing, for collaborative research, for debating, discussions, to harness all the wealth of knowledge that lies in the different corners of the organization and to bring that in one place. 17% of the Fortune 500 today have wikis, similar to what we would like to introduce to the AP Mall MS Group. You're looking at Dell, which has the Dell Idea Storm, which is used for idea generation. You've got My Starbucks Idea, again a very fun sort of wiki that they use to bring about ideas and innovation in different types of coffee that Starbucks would like to then introduce to the market. You have Nokia that has many wikis, one for each product line of the Nokia phones that they launch. You have Google that has the Goo Wiki, which is quite famous, looking at how you could better use Google. You have also wikis in a large Indian organization called the Tatas. They call it Just Ask. They also have the Tata Group Innovation Forum, where the top ideas from the Tata Group sort of make it to the CEO's desk, so on and so forth. So it's not new. Of course, our project is for us to identify how we in this company could use this wiki. Most of you might wonder, how can we use this wiki platform? Why are we launching this? Why is it so different from the existing platforms? Is this another parallel platform? Well, the answer is really no. If you're looking at Enable, at Maersk, SharePoint, well, most of these platforms provide for a one-sided communication. They're not as robust, as social, as fluid as a wiki platform. A wiki platform provides for collaborative learning, an opportunity to go and edit other people's material, for other people to edit your material. So in that sense, it's extremely open source. It's unlike what we have seen in the organization. Now the question is, can we be innovative? Can we be creative? How are we going to use this tool? Well, that's why we're looking towards you to give us the ideas. This pilot launch, for example, is just sort of an appetite, a teaser to see what all we can get from you in terms of ideas and what of that we can incorporate before we launch this into the bigger global wiki project. I'm just trying to fast forward myself into the next few months when the wiki is used as much as the Wikipedia that you see on the internet is used. No matter what information you want, it's just one search button away. You type it, there's probably already a wiki that one of your colleagues somewhere in the 120 countries that Maersk is present in has already created. If not, there's your chance to create a wiki. There's almost everything on it. There's all information that you could possibly dream of, or there's a chance to get some inspiration about a new idea you have, and there you go. You have colleagues who are talking about it, you have an opportunity to rate people's topics, people are rating you on the ideas you have. That would be so fascinating. Just think about a situation, could happen to almost any one of us, and it probably does. You've just moved into a new position, struggling with a new system. What do? You just wiki it. You find a lot of information, a lot of quick tips, tricks on how to navigate a new system. There you go. Your answer is there. If you have some information that you can contribute, edit the wiki. If you have some questions, go to the discussion tab, ask them, you'll probably get a quick reply. It could be as simple as you moving to a new Maersk office and you need something really practical, and probably even that information is on the wiki. That's how simple wiki can make your life. Not to say that there is not the formal SOPs and all the other stuff that exists. That of course is there. But this is your chance to throw out an idea, play with it a little bit, and see what people come back. And maybe that's the next idea that can turn this company around. And with that, happy wiki.